Hello everybody, this side Khushi from Nexus and Company. So today in this video we will discuss explain video which is the child custody right in India. So what is child custody in India? As we know that the divorce between married couple and entails not only devolving couples but could be उनके सिर्फ assets ही नहीं रहते हैं, but if they have children उनके जो children सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्ट पड़ता है इस चीज़ का, as we have discussed in the previous video if you have heard about the divorce petition also. But if they had children who were minor or incapable of making their own decision, the court also decide who the child would be live with the primarily and how custody would be divided. यानी कि किस तरीके से कोर्ट की कस्टडी डिवाइड होती है, that would be decided by the court. The word custody means guardianship is essence. यानी कि इन एसेंस में अगर देखा जाए तो गार्जियनशिप का मतलब क्या होता है? कस्टडी. एंड कस्टडी मीन्स अ गार्जियनशिप. बेसिकली इट इज़ नॉट interconnected by each other. So in India, legal custody means deciding who will be child's guardian. According to the Guardians and Wards Act 1890, the court has full control over who will be child's guardian. So basically when we talk about the guardianship, so the first thing which comes under our mind, which is guardianship and the child custody. So the main idea behind the legal custody is that one parent stays the main caretaker of the child and the other parent has to pay child support to help take care of the child after the parents get divorced. So देखा जाए अगर child custody के मामले में, so basically the parents has to decide that whom with the child will stay, because child can stay with the one parent. So family court consider करती है इस चीज़ में कि what is the best for the child for making custody and therefore they ask about the medical history of both the parents, including their physical and mental health, to assess whether one parent is better occupied physically or mentally to care of the child. Basically इसमें आपकी मॉनिटरी भी देखी जाती है कि किस तरीके से आपका बैंक बैलेंस वगैरह एवरीथिंग यू नीड टू चेक आउट, बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ कोर्ट हमेशा वेलफेयर ऑफ द चाइल्ड देखती है इस चीज़ में. So parents' financial situation is another consideration. Both the parents' capacity to financial security to ascertain which parent will be it will be best to you can say the available serve to the child or provide their future. One of the reason for preventing child from growing up in toxic environment is presence of domestic abuse in the house. So these kind of history the court has to see in the child custody. And the age of the kid are important consideration when determining custody, because moms can better assist their daughter. But if you know this so this concept is being you can say काफ़ी चेंज हो रहा है. इसमें क्या होता है, आजकल मदर को प्रेफरेंस नहीं मिलती है, फादर को प्रेफरेंस मिलती है. क्योंकि आजकल जो मदर का है आपका जो देखेंगे आप पास्ट हिस्ट्री उनकी बनती जा रही है. दे आर हैविंग अ बैड लाइफ नाउ बिकॉज दे आर क्लबिंग एंड ऑल द थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो दैट इज़ नॉट द रॉन्ग. Sorry, but these are the things which are considered point of custody. But even then it has seen that the majority of individual feels the court is more likely to grant custody to the mother than the father. This is because it was once the norm of the court of favor awarding child custody to the mother. This was especially evident when the children were younger, which is babies, or early primer age, which is young kids. During this time, mother also handled more typical home duties. The majority of the child rearing, which is duty, are traditionally performed by the women. This is where the purported by the female bias. So this is also the reason that the court also encourages the women's custody. So basically this is all about this topic. So we will meet in the next topic. Thanks for watching this video.